Nantong Jianfeng Machinery Co. Limited is a professional engaged in research and development, production, management of pharmaceutical and food machinery, science and technology enterprises. Founded in 1984, the registered capital of 10 million covers an area of 12,000 square meters, construction area of 6,000 square meters, with annual sales of more than 25 million. With the first-class design, research and development, manufacturing and installation and commissioning team has developed into a certain scale pharmaceutical supplier. Nantong Jianfeng Machinery Co. Limited is equipped with various production equipment, laser cutting machines, CNC punching machines, CNC lathes, CNC bending machines, wire cutting machines, polishing machines, grinders, sawing machines, plate bending machines and forklifts, and cranes. It saves equipment costs for customers, shortens delivery time, and shortens the distance with customers. Widely used in various schools, scientific research laboratories, hospitals, pharmaceutical factories, health products factories, machinery packaging factories, seed agencies, etc. Nantong Jianfeng Machinery Co. Limited in recent years constantly transformation, product innovation, independent R&D and production of capsule tablet counting machine, bottle unscrambler, capping machine, inserting machine, induction sealing machine, labeling machine, glass bottle washing machine, sachet filling machine, and equipped with de-duster and industrial vacuum. 2015 had passed the CE ISO product certification. 2016 went on and certified 7 utility model patents issued by the State Property Bureau. Jianfeng has been committed to providing customers with the best comprehensive and cost-effective solutions for many years since its establishment. Sincerely with the customers, the equipment of the Jianfeng is sold well all over the country and exported to many overseas countries. Discover the new and possible needs of customers with the pre-sale obsession and earnest service and careful communication with sale to achieve common progress with customers and interdependence. Solve all customers' worries with a sense of responsibility after sales. Warmly welcome customers to negotiation business.